You say you're a 9, and I'm just going to go with, then who's a 10?
Go with it. Beyonce is a 10.
Beyonce's an 8.
What?
Welcome back to Masculine Academy. A delusional 22-year-old calls in thinking Kevin's too harsh on average women, arguing it's all about delivery instead of the content. Then she goes to rate herself above Beyonce. That's when things went south with Kevin. This short call is a perfect example of modern delusion. Young women inflated beyond reality and unable to handle basic truth. Stay till the end. It's quick but devastating. Smash like, subscribe, drop a comment, and go support Kevin Samuel's original channel to keep the legacy alive. Let's roll.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, how are you?
All right. I'm all right. How old are you? How old are you?
Can you hear me? I'm 22.
All right. So what's the issue? Is it criticism? Is it critique or belittling?
Well, I was reading the comments and I kind of agree. I think it's more so like the delivery. So it just depends on how you come off. Is it, it just depends on what you're saying.
If you're 185 pounds and a woman, you're fat.
Oh, that's what you said?
5'4", 187 pounds is fat. How can I, what better way to put it? Tell me.
That's fair.
Okay.
That's fair.
Okay. If you're an average woman, you don't deserve anything above an average guy.
I think that one's controversial because some guys aren't looking for, certain things out of women. Some guys have certain standards or little things that they want, so then they're not expecting more.
How many thousands of men have you asked that question?
Sorry?
How many thousands of men have you asked that question?
Have I asked, are you looking for an average woman?
Yeah, you just said that's somewhat controversial because certain men are looking for certain and I said, How many thousands of men have you verified that with?
Oh yeah, no. I'm not saying I know specifically for sure.
Well, then how can you say what you just said?
Well, how can you say that average women?
Because I've talked to tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of men.
Okay, fair. Fine. Well,
So how do I get, so if you make average grades in college, would you deserve to get into an Ivy League college?
I think Ivy League colleges are looking for Ivy League students.
If you made average grades in high school, you graduated with a 2.0, you just graduated. In the middle, would you deserve to go to an Ivy League college?
No, definitely not. But that's because Ivy League schools are looking for prestige students versus everyone's opinion is different when it comes to men, average, above average.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
You don't think so? I mean, I think you're talking about like the majority, and I would agree with you. Like, for sure.
No. See, you ladies understand average when it comes to things that are outside of you. And honestly, the modern woman extremely arrogant. Y'all think you're special, and you're not. The average woman is average. The average woman is a C student going to junior college or maybe state school, taking out student loans. But she still has Princeton level desires. You would call that woman crazy. But in the dating world, you say it's okay, and you come up with ways to where it makes sense.
Well, I don't think I'm the average woman, but I do agree with you.
You don't think you're the average woman?
No, because I don't have an average mindset.
How tall are you?
Me, I'm 5'1".
Dress size?
What'd you say?
Dress size?
Dress size? Small, 4.
How much did you weigh last time you weighed yourself?
120 pounds.
5'1"?
5'1".
Any children?
No children.
On a scale from 1 to 10, you can't use 7. What would you rank your face? Just your face, fresh face out of the shower.
9.
9?
9 for sure.
So you're up there with Kelly Rowland.
What?
Kelly Rowland.
Kelly Rowland's
Halle Berry.
pretty. Yeah.
Those women were not. Okay, so
Okay.
I would put you next to. Hold on, I would put you next to Kelly Rowland, Halle Berry, and you. And men would pick, and they would say all these things match.
I don't know. Maybe. Okay. I'll go down to an 8 for your
Next, no. I asked you where you are. And so what
well,
I'm
I gave myself a
is,
9, and that's what I'm saying.
hold on, excuse me. Hold on. See, you say you're a 9, and I'm just gonna go with it. Then who's a 10?
Go with it. Beyonce is a 10.
Beyonce's an 8.
What? Okay, yeah, this is where you lost me.
See, they can't handle the truth. They cannot handle the truth. They can't handle the truth.
She started confrontationally, claiming not all men want the same, but the second Kevin questioned her self-ranking, then she just couldn't handle the truth. That's the fragility Kevin always exposed. Women living in a diluted fantasy where they're top tier without the looks or humility to match. Men, this is why you don't chase or argue. State the truth once and watch who stays. Ladies, if a simple reality check makes you rage quit a conversation, imagine how fast you'll quit a real relationship when life gets hard. Kevin didn't even raise his voice. He just asked questions and let her ego do the rest. Another classic proof. Truth doesn't need volume, but delusion can't survive scrutiny. If this one triggered you or made you laugh, smash that like. Tell me in the comments if this lady is a 9, and most importantly, go support Kevin Samuel's original channel. They're still dropping the uncut truth daily. Stay real, stay grounded, Masculine Academy, we out.